Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to Cybosocks. In this video, you are going to learn how robot move forward, backward, left and right. Before learning this, we have to learn what makes robot move. Answer to this question is biomotor. Wondering what biomotor is? Biomotor is a small DC motor. When you apply current, it rotates. Now you know what biomotor is, but how to make biomotor move forward? For this, we have to need two biomotors. Yes, left for left wheel, for right wheel. But how to make biomotor move forward? For this, we have to make our both biomotor move in the clockwise direction. Why clockwise direction? Suppose my both arms are wheels. If my both arms move in the clockwise direction, I will go forward. Similarly, if both biomotor's wheels are moving in the clockwise direction, it will go forward. Now understand how to make our robot go backward. You might have already guessed it. For this, we have to make our both motor move anti-clockwise. Suppose both my arms are wheels. If my both arms go anti-clockwise, I will also go backward. Now understand how to make our robot move left. For this, we have to make our left motor rotate anti-clockwise and right motor rotate clockwise. You are wondering why? Let's take our shoulder as example. If my left shoulder go anti-clockwise and my right shoulder goes clockwise, I will move left. Now understand how to make our motor move right. For this, we have to make our right motor move anti-clockwise direction and left motor move clockwise direction. Let's take our shoulder example again. My right shoulder going back and my left shoulder going forward. As you can see, I am going right. Now wondering how to make our both motor stop? You just have to use our stop both motor block. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybosocks Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybosocks car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Let's connect 2-pin cable to our left motor and second 2-pin cable to our right motor. Now connect right motor to RM port and left motor to LM port. Before writing our code, let's understand our algorithm. First we will start infinite loop, then move forward for 1 second, then move backward for 1 second, turn right for 1 second, then turn left for 1 second, and after that we will stop the motor and repeat this process again. So what we are doing is we are moving forward for 1 second, backward for 1 second, left and right for 1 second, then we will stop the car. Then we will repeat this process infinitely. Next, let's see our flowchart. We are starting a program, then we are moving forward, then backward, then left, then right, and then we are stopping the motors. Then we are repeating this process from forward again. Let's open up our Google Chrome and search Cybosocks and hit enter and visit
Cybosocks.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. First, we are going to do what? Yes, we are going to start our infinite loop. For this, we have to go to control, pick while do block. For running infinite loop, we have to set its condition to true. Pick true from math, set its condition to true. After this, we are going to make our robot move forward. For this, we have to go to car actions and pick our set left motor direction, right motor direction block. Put it inside our infinite loop. For moving forward, as we have discussed, we have to choose our left motor direction to clockwise and right motor direction to clockwise. After this, we have to wait for 1 second. Let's pick our wait block from time and set it to 1. After this, we have to move our robot backward. For this, we have to pick our set motor direction again and set left motor direction to anti-clockwise and right motor direction to anti-clockwise. Again, we will wait for 1 second. Let's do similarly for our left and right. Now, after this, we have to stop our car. For this, we have to pick our stop both motors block and wait for 1 second.
Now we have completed our code. Click on connect brain, then USB serial, then connect. When it is connected successfully, click on run code. Now you understood how to make your robot move. Yes, we can make our robot move with just two blocks, set motor direction block and stop motor block. If you understood how to move your robot, please like this video and subscribe our channel for further videos.